to work smart. If you want to work smart, first thing that you need to have is knowledge.
Would you like to introduce yourself to the audience, please?
Yes, teacher. Good evening, everybody. My name is Keo Pichsocheata. I'm 14 years old. I come from CAMFIRST School, non-Campus, level S5C, Group 1, part-time student.
Okay, thank you. And how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a little bit nervous.
I'm sure you'll do well.
Yes, thank you, teacher.
Start.
Yes. In the first place, I would like to pay my high respect to Dr. Nhat, Deputy School Director of the CAMFIRST School, honorable judges, management team, teachers, candidates, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Keo Pichsocheata. I'm 14 years old. I come from CAMFIRST School, non-Campus, level S5C, Group 1, part-time student. It's truly a privilege for me to stand here on the stage. Can you guess a topic I'm going to present you today by looking at this? It's about the advantages of reading. If you like reading, please raise your hand. Thanks for your response. As all of you know that nowadays, most people like to spend their time on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Because they are bored, they want to have fun, or they don't know what to do in their free time. But besides this, there are many ways to do, and it has a lot of benefits too. To me, I'm really enjoying reading. According to the research, reading is one of the best ways to do in your free time. Ladies and gentlemen, after having done the research, I've come up with 3 advantages. Let's begin with lower stress level. No matter how much stress you get from your study, work, family, or relationship, don't worry, it will slip away. As per the research, psychologists, or we can call doctor, believes this is because human mind has to focus on reading and lowering your heart rate and easing the tension in your muscle and heart. That means when you start reading, such as a book, story, or a magazine, everything around you gets quiet. Your brain starts focus on reading and relax your mind to make you lower stress level. A 2009 study at the University of Sussex found that reading can reduce stress by up 68%. It works better and faster than relaxation methods such as listening to music or drinking a hot cup of tea. Reading gives you that mental space to occupy yourself with something more interesting. When you're reading a great story, all your stress seems to slip away and relax you since tend to travel mentally in a different room. You know, while you're reading, you come across valuable advice or solutions to your problem. I used to ask my sister, why do you like reading? She said, I like reading because I want to forget a bad thing that happened. I read to make myself feel better. So, reading is a good method to release stress or your bad feeling. Let's move to the second advantage. Improve your vocabulary. Students often worry about the universe. Do you know what is the good way to improve your vocabulary? Why? The best way to improve your vocabulary is reading. Because when you read a book, you will come across a lot of new words. So, how to find out what the new word means? From my experience, when I see the new words, I usually open the dictionary or use my phone to find the meaning. You may not remember it at the first time. if you really want to know the universe, please read a book. When you read a lot, you will see the old words again. Imagine that one day you remember only one universe from your reading. If you can read for 10 days, you will know 10 words. 1 month, you will know 30 universe. 1 year, it will 365 universe. How about 5 years? If you read a book every day as a habit, I think you are knowledgeable. You will remember it in your mind. You don't need to find the meaning again when it crosses out in your reading. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move to the second advantage. Last, but certainly not least, makes you smarter. Reading educates you to become a valuable person for society. Everywhere, they always want smart people to facilitate the work. As in the 1930s, special industrial engineer Alan F. Morgenstern coined the phrase, work smarter, not harder. So, how to work smart? If you want to work smart, first thing that you need to have is knowledge. We can get knowledge in many ways, but I would like to talk about the knowledge gained from reading a book. As you all know, book gives a lot of knowledge and information, which can be very beneficial to increase your ideas. As it says, knowledge is a key to success, and hence having knowledge will make your brain sharper and make you smarter. When you are smart, you can solve a problem by yourself, be more thoughtful, be more confident in doing something new. So, reading is a good method for safe education to educate you become a smart person. In conclusion, based on my 3 points advantages of reading, I believe reading is an important part of life that leads us to success in life. It gives you a lot of benefits that we should make it our daily habit. Besides from wasting your time on social media, you should use this time to try something new that gain knowledge, safe education, relax feeling, such as reading a book. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation. Chita, you got 6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Okay, I have one question for you. Some experts say that there is a strong relationship between reading and speaking skills, and that reading makes people better speakers. Do you think reading has helped you with your speaking? And can you give me an example of how it has helped you?
Yes, thanks for your question. Of course, reading can improve your speaking skill. Like the points I bring to you, improve your vocabulary. You know, when you're reading, you will meet a lot of new words, and it helps you to improve your speaking too. Because when you come across the new word, you will ask yourself, what is this question? How to pronunciation it? So it's really good that your reading can improve your speaking skill. Thank you to you.
Thank you. You may sit down.